As you will notice, I am patting the paint using an up and down motion, and this forms tiny little bubbles over the entire stamp. When you have the colors on the stamp the way that you would like them to print, you simply place your stamp on your shirt where you would like it to print and press down nice and flat all the way around the stamp. Then you simply lift straight up. I like to double stamp. By double stamping, it makes my prints darker. Simply pat your fabric paint onto the stamp again. Be sure to use the up and down patting motion. This motion forms little bubbles all over the entire stamp. When you have the paint on the stamp the way you would like it to print, place the stamp back over the original stamp and press down nice and flat all the way around. When you lift straight up, you will have a much darker print. Always remember to pat your fabric paint onto the stamp. It is very important that you use an up and down motion and pat your paint onto your stamp. Make sure that you have covered the entire stamp with fabric paint. As you can see, I am patting up and down. When you have the paint on the stamp the way you would like it to print, then you simply print. Make sure you press down nice and flat all the way around the stamp. And then you simply lift straight up. If you would like to double stamp, simply take your stamp again and add the same paint colors onto your stamp. Make sure the entire stamp is covered and all of the edges are wet with paint. When you have the paint on the stamp, simply find a corner, match it up, and lay your stamp right back down over your first print. It's not always necessary to double print. It's just a matter of preference. When you have finished printing your shirt, you may want to place a border. I like to use masking tape to create lines and designs. Simply place your masking tape where you would like it and then paint between the lines. After you have printed your shirt, you need to let it dry at least 8 hours. I like to let my outfits dry overnight. Then take a hot iron and lay a piece of tissue paper over the top and heat set your prints. If you would like to outline your stamps, you can do that using a fabric marker. I like to use the Marvin name brand. It has a very sharp point. Today I'm going to add some rhinestones to my boots for buttons. I simply use a bottle of crystal glitter paint. This is actually a fabric glue with glitter in it. You can use fabric glue if you would like, but I always have some glitter paint on hand. Put a glob of glitter paint onto your stamp, and then simply press the rhinestones right down into the paint. As you can see, the paint encircles the rhinestone,